Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. So in today's video I'll show you guys how I transform this old weave into a ponytail wig. Do you like my video? If you're tuning in for the first time, my name is ibigbaniebenezer and I'll see you in my next one. So firstly, we are going to secure the ponytail wig net on the dummy head with T-pins. After that, place the weave on the net and secure with the T-pins as shown in the video. Then you're gonna sew. At the end of the side, you flip it to the other side and sew it to the top line as shown before to avoid you cutting your weave. That's what you're gonna be doing everywhere, so until you get to the end of the ponytail net. So guys, you can actually turn your old hair into a ponytail wig. If you want me to do that, you can actually comment down below in the comment section and I will respond swiftly. I reside here in Port Harcourt and I offer revamping services and also bridal hairstyling services. After sewing the weave completely, you then brush the hair. So this is how the inside of the ponytail wig looks like. The ponytail net already has two combs installed on it, so there's no need for you to add another one. So guys, we've come to the end of the video. Do well to like the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell guys to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Stay tuned guys, because in the next video I'll show you guys how to revamp this ponytail wig to look this luscious and beautiful again. So guys, I'll see you in my next one. Thank you for sticking around with me. Bye.